Today on Crawl, Walk, Strum, I'm going to teach you how to play the worldwide hit I Got a Feeling by the Black Eyed Peas on Guitar for Beginners. Let's strum.
You were starting to crawl and then you wanted to walk and then you wanted to rock, so you picked up your guitar and then you started to strum. Crawl, walk, strum.
Hey friendly strummers, I'm MAXXFIELD, and if this is your first time here, don't forget to stage dive the subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Crawl, Walk, Strum is a guitar learning method that I've been developing for the past 20 years with hundreds of my students to take you from the first strum to the big show. Let's get started. Today, we're going to be learning how to play I Got a Feeling by the Black Eyed Peas. When this song came out, I was just finishing college and I was going around the world playing music in hotels and cruise ships. I didn't like this song at first because I thought it was really simple and repetitive, but over the years I played it and saw so many people having a great time listening to it and partying. I eventually started to like it because I saw how much joy it brought to everybody. What I really like about this song is that it's really easy and catchy and memorable, and it sounds good, and it doesn't take much effort to learn how to play it. So let's get started. In this song, we're going to use two strings, string 2 and string 3. With our fretting hand, we're only going to ever actually press on string number 2. You can see the first note we play is a finger 3 on fret 3 on string 2. We're going to play this note 4 times. But you can see right underneath that note on string number 3, we're also going to be strumming that G open string on its own. So when you mix them together, you get this sound. The next measure of the song switches to fret number 1 with finger 1 on the second string, but the third string still remains open the entire song. So we get, after that we get a 0 and a 0 on string 2 also. So the second measure goes 1, 1, 0, 0. The third and fourth measure are both the same, and you put your first finger on fret number 1 on string number 2. So if we play the first 3 bars of the song together, we get, I'm going to say the numbers of the fingers you're supposed to play. So you get finger 3, 3, 3, 3, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. The next 4 bars go 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Let's try it with the music now. 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now let's try it up to speed. 2, 3, 4. So there you have it. If you want to make this song sound even more legitimate, What you might want to do is mute the strings after every strum. So you play the first chord, and then you mute it. So that's with my right hand. I'm using the back part of my palm here to mute the strings. Stop. I'm doing that by just resting this hand on the strings, not pressing or anything, just touching it, and it stops the sound. So if I did that with the chords of the song, instead of it sounding where every note's ringing into one another, it would be more staccato sounding, and every note would be a bit more defined, like. If you got value out of this lesson, don't forget to pick slide the like, stage dive the subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments or ideas for future lessons, leave them down below. Until next time.
Walk strong.